The stations are clean, the railway tracks are clean. Yeah, they take, people also take initiative, and also the railways here, the employees. I appreciate the railway employees for this. Thank you, people of Kerala and railways. Friends, the first thing when you come to Kerala, the first thing is you see the cleanliness. It's so clean, the tracks are clean, the stations are clean. See here, no one is spitting. One more thing, as soon as you get down, you see on the road there is no garbage. It's clean here. And second important thing, people follow the traffic rules. Every person has a helmet here. Even the pillion rider will wear a helmet. Now there is a traffic jam, so no one will cross the other side. See, the line is there. No one will cross on the other side. Everyone will be on this side. Good morning, friends, and welcome back. So we have reached Kerala. The train is still 2 hours late. I'm going to get some samosas. So I'm hungry. So let me see in this stall whether I get some samosas. So this is the stall. Right, this is the samosas. Friends, I got tea and samosa. And this station, this is called Kannur. Kannur. You can see if you read it. It's there. It's a battery-operated vehicle here. So this is all North Kerala. We can say this is all North Kerala. Good morning, and I am enjoying my tea and samosas. So let me enjoy. I had a good sleep, but sometimes the passengers, they simply on the light and talk loudly. I couldn't sleep, but that's okay. That's the life. People don't understand that people are sleeping. So, but I had a good sleep later on, and I got up. Now the train is running 2 hours late. So let me enjoy. So the train has started from Kannur. So Kannur. The luggage, so much luggage from Mumbai. That's why the train had to stop for a long time. It's very clean. You see the tracks and all so clean. That's why I love Kerala. The stations are clean, the railway tracks are clean. Yeah, they take, people also take initiative, and also the railways here, the employees. I appreciate the employees in the Kannur city. I appreciate the railway employees for this. Thank you, people of Kerala and railways. So this is the new addition to the Indian Railway. It's called Vande Bharat. This is, I think, a sleeper train which is moving around. Friends, what you see now is the place is known as Kadal Undi. So it's beautiful backwaters, and you can see people moving around, the tourist boats over there, and they are not motor boats but rowing boats. So friends, my native place Thrissur is coming. So after a long time I'll be getting down in Thrissur. That's my native place where my father was born. So this is Thrissur. It's called the city of culture. So friends, this is Thrissur, my native place, and the train is right 2 hours 15 minutes late. It's 2 hours 15 minutes late. So friends, after more than 25 hours I have reached Thrissur. So this is Thrissur. So friends, this is my train. It's so late, and my friend is coming just behind this. My friend, that's Garib Rath. That's not much late. It's, I think, half an hour late. So this is the pantry car where they supply food. This is the air-conditioned ones. I prefer sleeper. If it is winter, I try to travel by sleeper. It's very interesting. Air condition I don't prefer when the weather is cool. But air condition has its own advantage. sleeper has its own advantage. It's up to people. So this is air conditioned. Friends, the first thing when you come to Kerala, the first thing is you see the cleanliness. It's so clean. The tracks are clean. The stations are clean. So the first thing, as soon as you get down, is you see the stations are clean. No one spitting on the station. No one throwing garbage. So that's an advantage. You see here, no one is spitting. This is in Malayalam, announcement in Malayalam. That's the language of Kerala. So this is the exit. See 118. We reached at 118. The exit here. There's an inquiry counter here, information center, and a ticket booking counter over there. So now we go out. We go to catch an auto. So there is a auto rickshaw booth here. We go on cleaning. They go on cleaning the auto rickshaw booth. We just go there, pay some small amount, and they take you to the place wherever you want to go. So you stand in the queue here. Just pay 2 rupees and you stand in the queue here. This is the railway station. Cloakroom. If you want to keep your luggage and move around, you can keep your luggage here in the cloakroom. 24-hour service. And this is a prepaid auto counter here. So this is my 2 rupees. I have to just give there at the counter and tell the address, and they will tell the amount. So here they tell the name. She takes the computer and she gives the receipt. That amount you have to pay. So that is how it goes. You have to pay. Now she will give you a receipt. Yeah, that's what she gave me. And this is my auto here. Apsara Garden. I have to pay 84 rupees. But I'll pay him 100. So he's the auto rickshaw. This is the railway station. So it's so easy. Beautiful restaurant here. I got an auto. So evening again I have to come here because there's a big function here. So everything will be closed now after some time. This is how very close to the station looks. This goes to the other side of the station, railway station. This is the market. You can see this is the real market area. There's some restaurants here. It's a one-way here. And one more thing, as soon as you get down, you see on the roads there is no garbage. It's clean here. And second important thing, people follow the traffic rules. Every person has a helmet here. Even the pillion rider will wear a helmet. Kerala is famous for chips. You can see some shops here. Kerala is famous for chips. It's a beautiful church over there. You can see the church over there. Beautiful church. And this goes to Mission Quarters. I remember this place. Goes to Mission Quarters. Oh, they built a skywalk here. This is the first time I'm seeing this. It's a new one with a lift and all. It's so beautiful because this is the circle, and the main circle is where the temple is. That I'll be showing you in the evening if possible. And this is the vegetable market here. So this is the vegetable market. People come here to buy fruits and vegetables inside. It's all vegetable market. I have never been here. So many times I have come to Trishur but never been here. What you see here is the famous Jubilee Mission Hospital, very famous. And my father was born here in this, and he lived here on the right, my father's house. But now the house is no more, he lives here on the right. So very famous hospital here, Jubilee Mission Hospital here. And as I said, See this. All of them wearing helmet. Even the pillion riders, they're wearing helmet. Have you seen like this in any other city? If at all you have seen in India, any other city, please let me know in the comment section. This is the main entrance to the hospital. It's a very big hospital, very big hospital. And when I was young, we used to come to play football here in this stadium here. I used to come to play football. And one more thing, now there is a traffic jam, so no one will cross the other side. See, the line is there. No one will cross on the other side. Everyone will be on this side. See this church also. It's a beautiful church. So this is where my wife's cousin, he lives here. Right, so this is the house we have reached. Taking it inside. So this is the house. My brother-in-law and sister-in-law is here to receive me, and this was the auto. And this is the house here. Sorry. This is the auto going, and this is the beautiful house. Apsara Garden. His name is Johnny Christopher. Here and Christmas tree, so nice, and nice garden. Yes sir, how are you? Friends, thanks for watching my channel. Thank you very much. I have reached the house